debuts on IP next Wednesday and will be available to stream at Discovery Plus. John Bernanke, KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
6:06 now on the KFBK Afternoon News with Kitty O'Neill.
Thanks, Joe. We're hearing for the first time from WNBA star Brittany Griner, who was sentenced to 9 years in a Russian penal colony for a small amount of marijuana concentrate. ABC's Alex Stone reports.
Appearing in front of microphones for the first time since she was detained and then released from Russia in a prisoner swap, Brittany Griner says she is now focused on bringing home other Americans who are wrongfully detained in foreign countries.
Hands down, no one can get any of the conditions that I went through or they're going through.
Griner said being in the Russian penal colony was tough on her body and getting back in WNBA playing shape was difficult. She says she will never play basketball overseas again unless it's to represent her country. Alex Stone, ABC News.
Yeah, she had a lot more to say, and we'll be hearing about that shortly. And we also are going to be talking to you about the poll question today, and it is about a plan from Senate Democrats to raise corporate taxes. The California Chamber of Commerce says it's the corporate tax rate, which is what they have figured out, saying it would raise taxes on California businesses by $6 billion. We tried to look into it too. It looks like the higher tax rate would apply to about 2,500 companies, corporations, and bring in an extra $7.2 billion in revenue for the state. And about 1 million businesses would benefit from the smaller tax rate. It would reduce the state revenue a little bit there, about 2.2. But then the money that's left over, about $5 billion, would go to poor people who claim tax credits and would boost state programs for public education, child care, and combating homelessness. So I guess in essence, it's raising corporate taxes to help out smaller businesses and a lot of social programs. California Chamber of Commerce is against it, saying that it is sending a bad signal to job creators and investors in the state's economy, and it's not time to test California's ability to withstand the impact of an economic downturn or a recession by placing our economic success at risk. On your smartphone, keyword open light. All right, then, let's get you top global and national stories here on KFBK Radio, live everywhere in the iHeart Radio app. From ABC News, I'm Daria Aldinger. Wanted all he could to stop it, but today, former Vice President Trump testified before a federal grand jury investigating the January attack on the Capitol and former President Trump's alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election.
He has perhaps the ultimate insider's point of view. He can speak to the pressure he was under to block Joe Biden's certification as president, and may have knowledge of a scheme to bring fake electors to Washington to somehow keep Trump in office. We now know from sources this has been a heavy focus of the special counsel, who is now clearly entering the final phase of its investigation.
ABC's Pierre Thomas.
The Army says first responders are on the scene of a crash involving 2 military helicopters. They were on their way back to Fort Wainwright after a training exercise. A court appearance for the Massachusetts Air National Guardsman accused of leaking highly classified documents.
In federal court, prosecutors urging the judge to keep 21-year-old Jack Teixeira behind bars, calling him a serious flight risk who presents an ongoing threat to the nation. Their court filing painting a dark picture of a young man with racist and violent inclinations with a virtual arsenal of weapons at his parents' home, including bolt-action rifles, AR and AK-style weapons, and a bazooka.
ABC's Trevor Alt outside the courthouse in Worcester. BNSF says one of its trains derailed in Crawford County, Wisconsin, not far from the Mississippi River. Some of the cars were carrying lithium batteries.
The lithium were exposed to the water. If they were to break open and mix with water, there is a reaction with that. So we're here because of that.
Emergency management official Brandon Larson been on a night of severe weather in parts of the South and confirmed in the Florida Panhandle. First 2 picks in the 2023 NFL Draft. Carolina takes the University of Alabama quarterback Bryce Young. Houston gets C.J. Stroud from Ohio State. Hey. All right.
Sorry, you're calling.
Apparently.
I didn't put another quarter in. Okay, let's get some traffic and weather together. Dana House is there in our traffic center.
And brought to you by Wendy's $3 breakfast deal. And downtown through the square still runs slow.
And it's 22 minutes. It's because we have a crash, too. At least it's not helping. Eastbound Cap City to Marconi Avenue Ranch. It looks like there's a motorcycle involved. Number 1 and 2 lanes are blocked at this time, so we've got very, very slow traffic starting back around El Camino. Downtown to Split, like I say, 22 minutes. If you're going to Roseville from there, 8 minutes. 11 minutes downtown to El Grove and I-5, and about 13 minutes on 99, so they're clearing up. Downtown to Folsom looks really good, too. 19 minutes at Folsom Boulevard. 21-minute right to Main Street in Woodland from downtown north to I-5, and 9 minutes downtown to Davis, westbound 80. And Wendy's $3 breakfast deal is your choice of bacon or sausage, egg, and a Swiss croissant, plus a small seasoned potatoes for just $3. Break your morning routine and get your $3 breakfast deal today. Limited time only at participating U.S. Wendy's during breakfast hours. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Staying ahead to KFK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Thank you, Jana. Let's check the KFK forecast.
Clear skies expected tonight. Tonight's low 54 to 58. High temperatures, plenty of sunshine. The high tomorrow, 91 to 95. Sunshine remaining very warm Saturday, high 89 to 93. I'm AccuWeather's Rick Shannon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
All right. We've got 89 in Sacramento. Has 86. Sisters has 88 degrees. So in our poll question today, there is a proposal from California Senate Democrats to raise taxes on corporations, to give cuts to smaller businesses, and to give billions to social programs. What do you think of that idea?
I can't believe anyone would consider raising taxes on businesses since California has had its name as number 49 or 50 on the least business-friendly state in the union for so long, but it seems as though social programs are more important than providing jobs.
All right, if you have a thought, pound 250 on your smartphone, keep it open. Mike will get to that one more time before the show is over. And also still ahead on our KFK Afternoon News, we will check your top stories. We've got traffic and weather. You can hear more of that. Hey, if you are driving home and you want to keep listening when you get home, you can just tell your smart speaker, play KFK on iHeartRadio. Christina Mendonza, Sam Shane, and the KFK Morning News, giving new meaning to the phrase bright and early.
On KFBK, Sacramento, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Solar companies. Remember when there were just solar companies everywhere you turned? Well, it was about 10 years ago, I decided to go with Aztec Solar. I wanted to choose one that had a really strong... for 43 years. And guess what? They are still going strong while so many of those other companies have just gone away. And my goal is so everybody wants to know, well, how much am I going to save, right? And they have set up Aztec a really simple website where you can just check that out. It's very cool. You can visit yourpowersavings.com and just put in some information. It doesn't take very long at all. And Aztec Solar will text or email your solar savings, depending on which way you want to get them. It's really fast, really easy. It's yourpowersavings.com. And, just figure it out. And if you are going to go solar, that is the company that I recommend. Plus, they're offering a solar panel system for just $99.95 cash discount after incentive conditions apply. Aztec Solar, license number 550110. This report is sponsored by Astound Broadband. Go all in with Astound Broadband and get #1 rated internet starting at $25 a month. No data cap, contract, or hidden monthly fees. Just our most amazing price ever. $25 a month, all in, with a 2-year price off. Visit Astound.com for details.
Did you know your testosterone affects everything in your system, including how you feel and perform every day? Right now, Revive Mint for free. Knowing your T level is the first step in understanding if you have low T. Your testosterone level impacts your energy, libido, sleep, weight, hair loss, mood, and even ED. Maintaining an appropriate T level can change your whole life.
Most men start to see changes in their hormone levels in their 30s. Experience and results matter. So what are you waiting for? Get your T levels checked today by local, experienced, and trusted men's health experts. They've helped thousands of men since 2011. They're so confident they can help you, they even guarantee it. Call Revive today and schedule your free testosterone
That's not how
test,
you make
free
a
exam,
U-turn.
and free
Stupid
consultation.
Indian.
Call Revive Men's Health.
Yeah, this is a stupid Indian over, right? Yeah, stupid Indian. Yeah, you very illegal turns. Not supposed to fucking do that, but you know they don't care. You know, he's Indian.
Children in age-appropriate language and approach the discussion in a calm and sensitive way to help them cope. This Cal Hopeful Moment is brought to you by CalHope.org.
Life is uncertain. It's okay to feel stressed, anxious, worried, or frustrated. Cal Hope can help. Access Cal Hope's free and secure mental health resources. Call 833-317-4673 or live chat at calhope.org.
Listening to this station on your free iHeart.
Yeah, dumb Indian.